Hey everyone, if you can remember to like, subscribe, hit the bell, comment, share, anything you do does help the channel. And if you want to head over to my Patreon to try and get a mug or a sticker, you can do that. And I'm trying to get everyone to put in $1 a month so we can have draws and give away luxury Zippos like Japanese customs or platinum, titanium coated, or gold plated, or solid silver. If we can get enough, we can get it done. And if you want to go over to 705 Magnet Fishing and subscribe to his YouTube channel, it'd be greatly appreciated. He's the one who supplies me with all these Zippos that I do the custom work to for projects. So please go give him a like. And this Zippo here that I'm showing you, it was found, and I'm going to be putting in the ultrasonic cleaner and doing some custom work to it. All right, everybody. I couldn't get it done in a vise, so what I came up with was I took a nail that fit in between the rings, and I nailed it to a board, and I just took a screwdriver. And I just pushed it down a little bit, and now the insert is ready to come out. Just a neat little trick, little technique. I just wanted to show you guys if you didn't have a vise. So this is what was in the lighter insert. It's not a Zippo. It was really bad stuff at the bottom, a little whiter at the top, a little fresher, just because the way it was in there, I guess. And this is the wick that was in there, and this is the hinge pin. I pulled it out with nothing more than a thumbtack. It was nice and easy, and it had one of these old red flints inside there. So that was the guts of that insert. Alright everybody, now that I got the Zippo fully taken apart, I'm going to put it in the ultrasonic cleaner now that we can see the damage. I managed to get the insert out and everything like that. The ultrasonic cleaner already did a pretty bang up job. So we're going to put it back in there, and we're going to put the other parts in there, like the inside of the case. It's pretty rough. So we're going to put that in there, and we're going to put the lid back in. And we're going to put the spring back in because it is the thread that fits it, and it still does work just fine. So we'll clean these all up, put these in here for a while, and I will see you back. Alright, so now that this is over, it's been in here for about a half hour. You can see the color has changed quite a bit. We're going to take a peek and see how it did. And this looks very nice. I'm going to move it over to here. The pieces came, let's get a little zoom in on this. So the pieces came out really nice. Oh, I dropped a piece. The pieces came out really nice. These were very dirty. They came out pretty clean. This was oxidized pretty bad. The insert came out pretty clean too. Just a little scrubbing I'm going to do to get like this grime off and things like that. But I'm pretty impressed. This ultrasonic cleaner is really good. It really cleaned this Zippo well. Let's take a look at the inside. There is still some rust in the bottom that I'll have to get out myself with a little scrubbing. Not bad. But this appears to be a steel case insert. A steel case, I meant to say. So that's pretty exciting. So this is all steel. I think I'm going to polish this up and mirror finish it. Give it a steel mirror finish and clear coat it. You can see where everything's coming off and exposing the steel underneath. And the lid the same too. And if you've seen this was in pretty bad shape. This ultrasonic cleaner is a better solution in there. I only use dish soap and vinegar. That's all that's in there. So with just dish soap and vinegar, I'm getting pretty good results. If I stepped it up with a little more stuff, I'm pretty sure I'd get even better. And I only had it in here for a half hour, and a lot of the reviews online, people are keeping it in there for 2-3 hours. So I'm probably going to put it back in, scrub it up, keep putting it back in. And I'm going to see where. Alright, so here's how everything is progressing. The insert came out pretty damn clean. I just keep putting it in the ultrasonic cleaner, taking it out, scrubbing it, and putting it back in. Got rid of most of the rust. There's still some on the inside. Can do a little bit of sanding and whatnot if you want to get rid of it. I'm not too concerned about the stuff on the inside. because I'm not plating this or anything like that, so I don't have to worry about that. But it came pretty damn clean. I'm probably just gonna polish it up and leave it as is. And the case, nice stainless steel metal case, definitely some sort of steel case. After a while the paint came right off, and then I got the copper plating. There was copper plating over top of the steel on top of it, so came out pretty good. This is going to be a pretty sweet zip. Came out pretty clean on the inside too. There's some stains because now it's out, so it's starting to rust all over again. I don't know, you're just going to have to deal with it. That's how these Zippos are. Alright everybody, so here is the lighter I worked on. I could have did better down here. I did well on the practice letters, so I didn't bother practicing down here, and I just went for it, and I kind of messed up the emblem, but it still looks good. I went with checker plating, which I do like for the grip. I do like that for the grip on here. I'm pretty happy with it. I did some thinner lines all around the top this time. I did them overlapping the welds. There were some deep scratches on here that I didn't bother trying to sand out. I just left them in because, well, the finish was all like this, right? So that's the finish I did. It's kind of like a skin or pitted. It's cool. I like it. Looks cool. I got the idea from a Japanese custom. I seen it done like this with this style on a 41, but obviously they did way better work than I did. I'm not trying to say this is the greatest thing ever, but I'm practicing, and this is something I played with, and I was trying to have some fun with, and I think I just got to work on my outlines a little more for the emblems and other pictures I'll do. But this turned out really well. I do like it. Probably some straighter lines for the checkering. As you can see, I missed a spot right there that's supposed to touch to the line of the lid. Not a big deal though. For free, this was found magnet fishing by my buddy Glenn, like I said. So this is a steel case lighter, and this turned out really well. I don't know. I do like it. I do like it. I understand if you don't. That's fine. And if you don't like it, let me know in the comments. You like it? Let me know in the comments. So thanks everybody. Take care, and I'll see you in the next vid.